It's been a long time since I produced anything for the Microbits, and certainly even longer from when I produced a video. But seeing the new Microbit version 2 coming out soon, I thought, got to get back into some of this and actually see what else we can do. So I was looking on the Sparkfun website, and I came across a few additional boards I'd not seen, these Gatorbit boards, but I was a little bit disappointed to find that they only do block code for them. So having a look at the Gatorbit environment to start off with, this one here, when I read through it, I noticed that it uses the standard BME 280 humidity pressure sensor, which I've used on the Microbit for a long time, so I've got the code for that. And I found that this CCS811, the air pressure sensor that uses, the air quality sensor, there's a Python library for this on the Arduino site, so I was able to try and port this across. So what I've got, if we look at this, is I've managed to port over the gas sensor, which I can flash over onto the Microbit. Just take a couple of seconds. And we can see that that's working nicely. If I let it run for a few seconds and then breathe on the sensor, you can see that the carbon dioxide levels increase. That's working nicely. I've also put together the BME 280, which will do the rest of the stuff. So we've got the altitude and the humidity. So if I flash that one, and we test that one, here's it. We can see that I've got the altitude, the current humidity, and the current temperature. Try and warm it up a little bit. So there's my first little bit of microbitting for a while. I'm going to have a look at some of the other sensors. I've certainly started to produce the where is it? The UV. I've got this one working, so I'll do a video for this one in a second, and I'll start having a look at some of the other ones as well. But I'm looking forward to the Microbit version 2. All our projects, as always, are on the Microbits and Bobs website, and you can download the Gator Environment for the CCS811, that's the air quality sensor, and you can download the code for the BME 280 if you haven't already got that one.